You know how people do hair and they make it look all sweet and easy, and then you're doing it and you're like this? I'm with you. I'm that person. BBlonde Bleachers. My hair is crazy. This is like the shortest you're ever gonna see it. So in my other videos you'll see that I love the BBlonde Bleach. You can buy it pretty much anywhere. It's the most easiest kind of thing to do for bleaching. I've had my extensions taken out, so I'm just going to refresh all my roots because oh my god. For those of you who's your first time using BBlonde Bleach, you can get these boxes in like pretty much most shops, like chemists and superstores, everywhere, even Amazon probably. I got mine in Home Bargains for like really cheap, and then it comes 4 sachets in this box. And then you use 1 sachet per one of these. So you buy these separately. These aren't that expensive, I think about £1.79. So if you want to use all 4, then you need 4 of these. For this, I'd probably say 2 and 2. You're going to mix 1 sachet with 1 bottle, and then you're going to mix it together. I got this from the pound shop, which is also known as dollar store in other areas of the country. Of the world. It's the world, not the country. So I'm going to go around the front just to kind of show you this is kind of what I do. And I've done it for years and it works. And we're in lockdown, so this is really needed. I'm just going to go around the front and then we'll continue with the next bit. You can start off anywhere really. I'm going to start off down the middle. Nice straight parting. Got it on my fingers. I think all my skin's kind of used to this stuff now because it's been so many years. Here's me using the camera as a mirror. No, I don't want it going. Don't put it too far up because like years ago I used to do this and I used to like drag it all the way through. Just put it on the bits that really need it because otherwise you're just putting bleach on top of bleach and it's really not good for your hair. This isn't good for your hair anyway. Like blonde's probably like the worst colour to kind of go in the sense of keeping your hair healthy. But I am on a mission soon to find the healthiest stuff to keep your hair glowing. I know I had to keep extensions glowing, but I haven't really got to that point of my own hair. I'll do one more to show you. Going straight down. It will get tougher because the bleach will be kind of clinging on. This one's a bit bigger. Thicker so that you can't really see the bleach seep through, but once you've done this you need to go back over, not with the bleach, just back over to check that you've covered all areas because there's nothing worse than a dark random bit of your root still sitting there that hasn't been addressed. The back, you can continue this line straight down. It would be really handy if you had a double mirror, but if not, like me, I don't, so I'm just going to go with it. Before I do my hand technique, I'm just going to show you, look how dark that is, oh my god, to make sure you go around the bottoms and all the sides because, oh my god, I've done bleaching for so many years and that was like my biggest mistakes were forgetting all these underneath bits. It doesn't matter if you're a hairdresser or not. In fact, hairdressers will probably be like, what do you do? But I'm a hairdresser, so I'm doing it. So, like I said, I'm going round with my fingers. I'm separating, getting it, and I'm paddle brushing it. And then I kind of work it in with my fingers. I think the only part I haven't done here is, look, god, the main part, the part that everyone sees right on the top. So, going through with a paddle, I'm going to go down a little bit. Oh, it feels so nice. It's not going to feel nice in a minute, it's going to be burning. I can see that dark bit. Oh, there you go. Oh, it feels good to get that. So that's it, all over. I've double checked it, left it, looks great. I'm going to be doing another video, which is kind of extended on from this, of toning. So this is how the colours come out, or it will literally come out like that, I'm not kidding you. If you've left it on long enough, I couldn't give you a time limit. I'd literally, it completely depends what's already been on your hair, what colour you are, what colour you want to go, like what kind of brightness you want to go. But once it looks like that all over, then you take it off, and it literally will come out looking like that, unless it looks a bit gingery. And sometimes if you've left it on for like the longest amount of time, which I believe is 40 minutes, 45 minutes, please check the instructions. If you've left it on for that long and you're like, oh my god, it's a bit gingery, usually when you wash it out, it actually looks fine. I'm going to be doing another video, like I said, of my toner, the L'Oreal one, I love it. And then the whole finished result. It's going to look like this basically, but there's just bits of my hair that are a bit yellow. Like, see, like this is darker bits, and I just want it all pearly and white and lovely. But I will show you the finished result.